The jewelry art of the Turkmen people dates back to very ancient times. Jewelry is a delicate craft that requires creativity and great talent from the master. The peculiar sound emanating from the jeweler's workshop can be compared to a melody of painstaking work. Turkmen jewelry is distinguished by perfection, variety, versatility. The history, wisdom, national characteristics, and creative abilities of our people are reflected in the methods of their creation, names, and patterns. People say that the older the craft, the more true it is. Our great poet, philosopher Mahmud Ibrahim wrote that the value of the stone can be appreciated only in a worthy setting. You can also quote the words that the value of a stone can only be assessed by a jeweler. Master creates perfect jewel. Your hands can create golden decorations. The presence of such a large number of proverbs and sayings testifies to the reverent attitude of the Turkmen people to the art of jewelry. With the rise in the material spiritual standard of living of the people, the art of jewelry was also improved. This condition led to the creation of more advanced tools of labor, the creation of modern and perfect patterns and methods. The design of national jewelry combines the features of national traditions, images from our nature. Modern jewelers are increasingly turning to ancient traditions, which allows them to create products of amazing beauty and shape. The methods of their creation and decoration continue to improve. They are beautiful. This can explain the interest in jewelry by foreigners. The value of Turkmen national jewelry created by the labor and talent of domestic jewelers is known all over the world today. Unlike in the methods of creation, design, and purpose, such jewelry testifies to the uniqueness of the aesthetic tastes of the Turkmen people developed since ancient times. A unique feature of the Turkmen jewelry art is the fact that all types of work in the creation of various products and even complexes were carried out by the hands of one master. The work of jeweler is difficult and therefore has earned respect among the people. Each piece of the master is unique, connected with traditions. The uniqueness of each item is preserved for many decades. In ancient times, people believed that products created by jewelers, metal and stones in products were filled with miraculous magical powers, and therefore these items reached such a high level of art. Unlike products of other peoples, Turkmen jewelers covered their products with pure gold. They gave the products the required shine. Sparkling jewelry became a real decoration and complemented to beautiful female images. Silversmith jewelers were craftsmen in various types of work. They carried out all the stages with their own hands. Each master strove to create a unique piece that would reflect his creativity and talent. Turkmen jewelry art is an ancient eternal craft that reveals rich and interesting pages of Turkmen culture and history. Thanks to such decorations symbolizing harmony, one can witness the aspiration that the Turkmens had for the world around them in order to live in peace and harmony with nature, with neighbors, and with themselves. It is the aspiration that helps our people to live in harmony.